Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the old town outside the pet shop, Mascotas, and well, I've got to show you this. What a brilliant idea in the hot weather. You can get animal ice cream, guys. Going to go around the other side to see if it's maybe in English. No, it's in Spanish that side. But you can get chicken palo, so chicken with vegetables, pork with vegetables, or salmon with vegetables. So, you know guys, it's really hot. You're going to get yourself an ice cream. Why shouldn't your best friend get one as well? There they are, guys. Oops, I'm going to try and zoom in. Called Yowl. Well, them ones are, they're frozen yogurt. And this side is pork ones, salmon. Try not to keep banging the window. What do you reckon, guys? Is this a good idea? Would you buy an ice cream for your dog? And if so, which one would they like? Drop a comment down below. Do you think they'd maybe like pork or the chicken, or would they prefer salmon? Huh? There's frozen yogurts there as well. Just in their different flavours. There's salmon tartar and hot dog with cheese. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Is it a good idea? And would you buy your dog one? And of course, make sure that you hit the like, hit the share, and hit subscribe. And thanks for watching.